Seventh question is define an endothermic change. For this you can write a change in which heat is absorbed is called an endothermic change. Question number 7. Question number 8 is define an exothermic change. For this you can write a change in which heat is evolved is called an exothermic change. Question number 8. Question number 9 is classify the following into endothermic and exothermic changes. First, the dissolution of glucose. It is endothermic change because glucose absorbs heat from solution while dissolving. Second, the boiling of water. It is endothermic change because water absorbs heat while boiling. Third, burning. Burning is exothermic change because during burning lot of heat is emitted. Next we have long answer questions. First question, give two examples to show that mass of the individual substance undergoing a chemical change is altered. Example number 1, when carbon is burnt in air, the amount of carbon is reduced and finally the carbon vanishes. In fact, all carbon gets converted to carbon dioxide. Second example, if an iron nail is allowed to rust, the mass of rusted nail is more than that of original nail. Second question, state the difference between physical and chemical changes. For this you can write from page number 14 this physical and chemical changes. Next question, discuss an example to show that physical and chemical changes can occur together. Write, when a candle burns, first point, the wax under the wick gets heated and melts. The molten wax flows down and solidifies. The change in state from solid to liquid and again from liquid to solid is physical change. Second point, a part of molten wax vaporizes and burns to form new substances like carbon dioxide and water. So this change is chemical change. Fourth question, giving one example to each, show that change in energy takes place when a physical or chemical change occur. First is change in energy in chemical change. Photosynthesis in green plants takes place only in the presence of sunlight. Chlorophyll, the green pigment of leaves, absorb sunlight and helps the plants to produce glucose and oxygen from water and carbon dioxide. So, because of absorption of energy, change in energy takes place. Second example, change in energy in physical change. Energy changes are observed during the change in state. A solid absorbs heat and melts. Liquid absorb heat and vaporize. For example, ice, sulfur, iron absorb heat in order to melt. Similarly, heat is released when water vapor changes into water on condensation. Question number 5. What is respiration? Explain. The process of breaking down of glucose by oxygen to release energy is known as respiration. For this you can write glucose plus oxygen changes into carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. Respiration is a chemical change because it is irreversible. As well as oxygen we respire combines with glucose to form new substances, that is carbon dioxide and water. Respiration is also an exothermic process because heat is evolved, that is energy is released.